put the per your newsletter. And then this feature, which is adding option, is only for the director or a person who can add pictures or add album or add user or add event. So for example, if the director clicks on add pictures and docs, it's going to take you to the back end of the site where you can add the pictures and the documents to the which will display in the school gallery or the school documents. And if the director clicks on the add album, it's going to take to the adding pictures page. And if you click on the add user, you can add a new user. Let's click on add user. So once you click on that, it's going to take to the back end of the site where you can add a user. You can put the username, email, their first name, last name, password, and then you can actually select the role. If he is a parent, he is a teacher, or the director. If it's a subscriber, that means parent. If it's an author, meaning a director. Editor, meaning a teacher. So once you add him, you can actually go back to the front end of the site by just clicking on the back to the school button. And the last adding feature is the add event. Here if you click, it's going to take you to the calendar option where you can add events. If it's either a school level event or a personal event or a parent event. And now let's look into the features of the classroom or the classroom wide features. If you click on the classroom button here on the home page, it's going to take you to all the classrooms in that school. For example, this school has 3 classrooms. One is preschool, one is kindergarten, one is pre-kindergarten. Each one of the classroom will have a teacher who is a moderator for that classroom. And each classroom will be similar in terms of the features, but the actual content will be different, and the content is only seen by the users of that classroom. So if you click on that particular classroom, say preschool, it's going to take you to the preschool classroom, and it shows all the information in that classroom. So here you go. So here are all the features for that particular classroom, or these are the classroom wide features present in the website. For example, this is called the activity page, where any parent or any teacher can update the activity here, and this can be only seen by the parents and teachers for that specific classroom. So here you can see all the activities that is posted by the director, by different people who are in this classroom here. So as I logged in as a director, I can just post something, say hello guys, or I can actually put in a picture of something. I'm gonna upload a file, and then once this file gets uploaded, you can add the picture. So once you click on add photos, it's going to add a picture of this thing here. You can see the picture of it right here, and it says hello guys, right? So here you can actually filter all this activity by whatever feature you want. For example, if you want everything, you can click on everything. If you just want updates, if you click on updates, it's going to show all the activity only for the updates and nothing else. Or if you want to say filter by using group memberships, it's going to filter all the information based on the group memberships and no more updates or pictures or anything. And the second feature is actually called calendar. If you click on the calendar, it's going to take you to the calendar specifically only for this classroom. And here you can see there is one calendar event on 11th December. It says Halloween party. Or if you want to add like a new party event, you can actually add, say, like Christmas event or something like that, Christmas party, and you can click on the dates at 20th or 24th at 7 p.m. or something like that, and you can say Christmas party for preschool parents. Remember, this is only for that specific classroom, and you can put the location if you want, something like this, and you can create an event. So once you create this event, this is going to send as an email reminder to all the parents and teachers in that particular group. So now you have 2 events here. And same thing, the next feature is actually called documents. If you click on the documents, it's going to take to a page where it shows all the documents relevant to that particular classroom. which is the preschool. So you can see all the documents here, emergency form, some pictures, an application form, etc. And it also shows who uploaded the documents in here. And you can also filter or order by the newest alphabetical order based on category, if it's a kids picture, school documents, etc. Remember, this is different from the school documents. The school documents are here. This is only the classroom documents. The next is members. The members tab actually shows all the members who are the teachers or the parents only for this classroom, which is a preschool. And send invites. If there is a new parent or new student that joined, if the teacher wants to send an invite to that parent, he can actually easily send it. So it actually displays up here as a new student or new parent. You can click that and send invite. And the next one is email options. So here is a very cool feature, right? This is actually email option, meaning all this activity on this page that we have seen so far, it can be sent as an email also. But it's up to the director or the moderator whether you want to send it as a weekly email which sends like all the activity that is done in the week as a good summary, formatted summary, or like a daily digest email, meaning all the activity done for that day is going to send at 5 p.m. that day, or all email, meaning whenever there's an activity updated, it's going to send as an email, or no email, meaning there is no email sent for any activity, but for the parents to see any activity, they have to log into the website. So the director or the teacher or the moderator has this capability. Now if you click on the admin, it's going to take you to a different tab which shows several other options for the teacher or the moderator. Here you can actually change the name of the group or the description of the group, or you can change the settings of the group. If you click on the settings, it's going to show if it's a private group or if this group is accessible to the public, or who can invite group members, what are the capabilities, and email subscriptions. And you can also change the avatar, meaning the picture of the background of the preschool tab. You can choose a file and you can upload it, and you can see all the members, you can see all the requests, and once you click on the email options, you can see how we can send a group email. For example, you can send a group email reminder, please bring, and if you click on this email, this is gonna send an email to all the parents and teachers in this group. So no matter what the parents have set as a subscription, it's gonna send an email for sure. And a simple way where a teacher or moderator or the director can change the email that's being sent to the parents is by clicking here. So for now it's actually set in as a daily digest. If you click on the change, it's going to show you all the options. So if you click on no email, it's not going to send any email. If you're going to click on the weekly summary, it's going to send a weekly summary email, one email per week. If it's a daily digest, it's going to send an email a day about all the activity for that day. And if it's all email, it's going to send an email every time that you have activity on the system. So if you just click on weekly summary, you can, and then close, it's going to change it to weekly summary. So now the activity email is set in for weekly summary, meaning all the activity goes as an email to the parents once a week. Now let's look into a feature where you can send private messages. So if you click or if you hover onto your name here, you have an option called messages. If you click on messages and click on inbox, it's going to show all the messages that you have received for the last several years or something like that. So you can see that you have two messages here. If you click on the message here, you can see there was a message from a parent saying, do we need to bring the application form tomorrow? So you can just reply no need or something like that. You can just send a reply. And if you want to compose a new message for a particular person or a few people, all you have to do is you just click on compose. If you click on compose, it's going to take to a compose email or message where you can enter the person's name, let's say parent 1 or parent 2. So once you click PAR, is gonna automatically pop up the parent name or the name of the user. So you can click whoever you want, and you can also click the other person, for example like a teacher or someone. So now you can have like a private conversation within these three people. Let's say hello, I have a concern at 5 p.m. And if you want, you can also attach a file. You can attach some file of in any file that you want, like a report card or something like that. Let's pick some kind of form, right? And once you send it, it's gonna send this message only to these two people who are the parent, teacher, and the director. So here you can see the conversation is between parent, teacher, and you, which is the director. So no other person or no other teacher, no other parent, no other director can see this conversation that is happening between you three folks. And you can add as many people as you want, or as low people as you want.